Hi, my name's Mrs. Christy Espig. I'm teaching at Capella State School this year the specialist lessons of HASS and technologies, both digital and design elements. I live in Claremont. Family is very important to me. I have a husband and 3 children. My eldest girl is in her 3rd year of university and living in Brisbane. My second boy is in year 12 this year and my youngest boy is in year 9. I have lots of hobbies that mainly focus around arts. I enjoy learning new ways to create things. I also enjoy volunteering. I volunteered for P&Cs, both primary and high school, the schools that my children have attended, and multiple other community groups. Currently, I'm the president of Claremont Arts Link, which is a Claremont arts group. We run a number of events, including Golden Coal Festival, the Wombat Festival, and community workshops. I've been teaching at Capella State School since 2019 in various positions, mostly lower school. Last year was my first year as a specialist teacher, teaching HASS and technologies, and has been a big learning curve, which I have enjoyed. This year I'm keen to see all the students in HASS and technology learning space. Capella State School teaching and learning programs are based on the Australian curriculum. This sets the expectation for what students should be taught, regardless of student background or where they live. There are 8 learning areas, which include HASS and technologies. Within those learning areas, there are 3 curriculum priorities and 7 general capabilities that can be addressed. Across HASS and technologies, there are strong links to the 3 priorities of Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander histories and cultures, Asian and Australia's engagement with Asia, and sustainability. Within the 7 general capabilities, digital technologies has the most direct link with the capability of ICT, but it's also addressed in HASS, along with the other capabilities of literacy, numeracy, critical and creative thinking, personal and social capabilities, ethical understanding, and intercultural understanding. So we'll start with HASS. For this learning area, students are taught across bands. It's Prep 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. And this semester, Preps were looking at important events celebrated in their lives and how we remember them. They're looking at the important events celebrated in their own lives and identifying how people and objects help them to remember those events. Year 1 and 2, the students will describe and sequence an important event. They will identify how students have experienced change in schools and things that have stayed the same over that time. 3 and 4, students will explore the role of rules and making democratic decisions in the school community. They will also investigate the significance of a remembrance event for the community. Year 5 and 6, students will investigate the values of the process of Australian democracy and the effects of the discovery of gold on the lives of Australians. In semester 2 for HASS, Prep students will identify and represent the features of familiar places and suggest ways to care for a special familiar place. Year 1 and 2, students will investigate places that of a local scale and look at their features. Year 3 and 4, students will investigate and compare the diverse characteristics of 2 places in Queensland and how people connect to these places. Year 5 and 6, students will investigate how people and environments influence each other. Students will then also plan a business to benefit the local community. Moving on to technology. This semester students will be doing digital technology, and this is taught over bands again. So for Preps, students will identify the purpose of common digital systems. Year 1, students will represent how data can make meaning. Year 2, students will design an algorithm to solve a problem. For the classes 2, 3 and 3, 4, students will be demonstrating knowledge and understanding of digital systems and applying those skills to create a simple guessing game in a visual programming language. Year 5, students are looking to explore how information systems meets needs and represent a variety of data types in digital systems. They will also design and create an interactive spreadsheet and share information ethically. Moving on to semester 2, where we're looking at design technology within the technology space. And preps will be designing a solution to help a farmer and following steps to make food. Year 1 and 2 and 2 and 3, students will design and make a spinning toy for a child that is fun and easy to use. Year 3 and 4, students are going to make a pinball machine and design a games environment for its use. Year 5 and 6, students will design a service that provides an edible plant that we can use to create a healthy food product. The service will involve the design of the plant's packaging and a fact sheet for it. If you have any questions, please email me on the address on your screen, and thank you for your time today.